Hey guys, Ali from ALTA SIX. Beautiful day. We got the new extender out and wanted to kind of give you a comparison. Here's the original extender. We got the 3-bolt system and it's further back. One of the problems with this was it wouldn't allow you to pull the rack out to the second hole because the bolt wouldn't engage. So we kind of solved that problem with this one. Place the bolt in a location where now you can run the rack in the second hitch pin hole as well. You can run the Excel. This baby's like a tiny bit longer. It has the internal stabilizer system built in, and we've gone to a single bolt because with the internal threaded stabilizer you really need just a top cinching method. The sides are going to be just redundant, not really doing much. Same stabilizer system, internal and external is included. The other thing about this is we now have full welds, wraparounds, pretty much everywhere. And you are now clear to flip this baby to actually lower your rack if you wanted to and provide a lowering function. There's an additional hole here. We're going to release the secret to that one soon with some accessories and stuff. But we're going to roll this in probably in about 2 weeks. We have a couple of the older extenders left. Once those ship, we're moving into these. You can select this just by placing it in the notes saying that you do want the new extender. It's going to be the same price. Have a good day, y'all.